In the last lesson, we have learned how to enable the strict mode. In this lesson, we will learn the changes brought by the strict mode. Currently, the browser support for the strict mode is limited, so we only picked a few commonly used and well-supported changes. Under the normal mode, if we create a function and console log this in it, we will get the window object. But if we enable the strict mode, this inside a function will no longer point to the global object. Its value will become undefined. If you want to point this back to the window object, you can prefix the function name with window. Now, under the strict mode, this inside a function can point back to the window object. Under the normal mode, if we delete a global function or variable, there won't be any error messages. But the delete statement won't work because we can still use the deleted function and variable. But if we enable the strict mode, we are not allowed to delete a global function or variable. We will receive a lethal error which will shut down the entire program. Under the normal mode, if we define a global function inside a block scope, we can still access that function from outside the block scope. But under the strict mode, we cannot do this. We can only invoke the function from inside the block scope. Another change is when you are using octal numbers. You need to put a letter O behind the starting 0. Under the normal mode, there is no need for the letter O. Next, we create an object. Then we set an unwritable property for it. Under the normal mode, if we assign a new value to an unwritable property, the property will keep its original value, but no error report will be generated. But if we enable the strict mode, we will get a lethal error which shuts down the program.